I'm Rick from Mavic Models, DJI dealer from the UK and RC specialist for over 40 years. If you'd like to support my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and remember to hit the little bell icon in the corner, and that way you'll be alerted whenever I post up some new videos. Okay, so before we fly for the first time, you will need to charge your battery. So what we're going to need is the Mavic, we're going to need the controller, we're going to need the charger, we're going to need the power adapter, appropriate cables, and any additional batteries that you might have. So first thing we need to do is we need to remove the battery from the craft. This is easily done. You'll see these small catches on the side. There's one on each side. Just pull them back and then the battery lifts out and we can put the Mavic aside. Second, we need our charger. And this is the charging station here. So this just opens up like a dainty butterfly. And we just put that on the ground there. And then the batteries, as you'll see the connector there, and that will marry up with the connector there. They simply just slide on like that. So we want to do that with all the batteries that we have, and in this case we have 3 of them. Now once it's on charge, you will notice you've got a scrolling set of lights there. That means this battery is charging. This will not charge all 4 batteries or 3 batteries or multiple batteries at the same time. What it will do, it will analyze each individual battery, pick the one with the most charge in it, and actually charge that one first, and you can see that's now scrolling. There is also a LED indicator inside there, you'll see that, just to show that there's power going into the adapter. Now we can basically put that aside while that's charging. The second part we need to do is we need to charge the controller itself. Now we can check the power that's in the controller just by pushing the button. Now this controller may not charge because I've actually already charged the batteries, but to charge it, if we go to the side, unplug the USB cable, this is a small USB, standard Android USB cable, and then we get our USB cable off our charger. Now this is the part you've got to look very closely. If you look inside the USB port there, it's not it doesn't plug in either way like an iOS cable does, so you need to make sure you get it plugged in the wrong way. If you go to plug it in and there's resistance, you've probably got it going in the wrong way. And as you can now see, we now have actually the scrolling lights. Now before you fly your Mavic for the first time, you will have to activate it, you'll have to do firmware updates. Everything has to be charged for those updates. If you don't have them, if it's not above 50%, it will stop you doing the updates, because it's imperative that the updates don't fail halfway through due to a failed battery. So now we'll just leave those charging and we'll come back to this. I hope you found that video helpful, and if you'd like to support my channel, remember to subscribe and hit the little bell icon, and that way you'll be alerted when there's any new videos. Also, you can also head over to my Patreon channel, and for as little as $1 a month you can support me to keep helping bringing you more informative videos. Always remember to fly safe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.